How to like, comment, and share posts on Facebook Lite. Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today in this video, I will be teaching you on how to like, comment, and share posts on Facebook Lite. So now let's get started. First of all you need to do is open the Facebook Lite application. Now find a post. To like this post, all you need to do is tap the thumbs up icon under the post. Again, to comment on this post, all you need to do is tap the speech bubble icon below the post. Now type the comment and tap the arrow like icon to post it. Again, to share this post, tap the share icon usually looking like an arrow. Choose how you want to share the post, example, on your timeline, in a group, or with friends. Now, tap post or send to share. That's it. This is how we like, comment, and share posts on Facebook Lite. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.